vegan in 2016, almost 8 years ago. The last thing that I ate before I gave up meat was a fried chicken sandwich. I loved fried chicken sandwiches, and it remains one of the few things that I feel like, wow, I would love to be able to eat a fried chicken sandwich again, but I won't. Instead, I thought today I would make something that satisfies that fried chicken sandwich craving using this. These are oyster mushrooms. I'm gonna try doing what I can to make something delicious and satisfying and crunchy and yummy using this. I don't think you can really have a fried chicken sandwich without French fries. So we're also gonna make hand-cut French fries today.
So the first major step for making hand-cut fries after, cutting them is to soak them in cold water for at least 1 hour. This is gonna help remove the excess starch, and excess starch is not what you want when you want crispy fries. Fried chicken always has this incredible flavor, super umami and savory. And in order to recreate that, I'm using a lot of different herbs and spices in my flour dredge. Another trick I've seen other people use is to use beer as part of the batter for their fried chicken. So I'm going to use that together with JUSTEgg. I hear it makes the fried chicken super crispy and flavorful. In addition to starch, the other enemy of super crispy French fries is moisture. So after soaking the potatoes in cold water, I'm gonna pat them dry very aggressively to make sure any excess liquid has been removed. I have misplaced my thermometer, so I'm gonna just take a tiny little piece of potato, drop it in the oil, and see if it comes right back up. And yes, it comes right back up, so we know our oil is ready. I like to use a wire rack when draining the excess oil from my French fries or even any fried items, just because it prevents sogginess and steam from like a paper towel or some of the other things that people tend to use when they're getting rid of excess oil. So this is the setup that I like to use right on the stovetop. You can see I'm using a baking sheet. That's where I place my dredge as well as the batter, and you can see the mushrooms are on the other side of the pot. And this way I'm not dripping and drabbing all the different dredges and the batter and the oil all over the place. It's all in one spot. Step number 1 is to dredge your mushrooms. You want every nook and cranny covered with that flour mixture. And then you're gonna dip it in the batter, and you don't have to be too precious about the batter. I find it's the flour that really needs to be properly coated. So we're gonna do a second coat in the flour before we dip it in the oil. I cook mostly by myself, actually almost always by myself. And sometimes it's hard to maintain a really clean workspace when things are sort of piling up. So I do the best that I can while, the fried mushrooms are frying to wash whatever dishes are collecting in the sink. Now that the mushrooms are all done, I'm going to double fry the potatoes. And this time, I'm just gonna dump them all in there. The first fry, you do have to make sure not to overcrowd the pot, but the second time around, you can just throw them all in there.
Just take my hand.
Okay, so the inside definitely mimics dark chicken meat, if you will, like chicken thighs as opposed to chicken breast. There's something kind of fibrous and meaty about these mushrooms. I don't know about you, but a chicken sandwich isn't really a chicken sandwich without bread pickles, so I'm definitely adding those. Okay, so here's a pic of a regular chicken sandwich, and here's what I made. Not bad.
Finished my sandwich. Give you my honest opinion. Honest opinion.
Okay, first honest opinion is that I need to do a much better job with my eyelash application.
Oh yeah. That is delicious.
And guess what I'm staring at now? Y'all, it is hard making videos by yourself.
Tastes good to me. I know it's been a minute since I've had an actual fried chicken sandwich, but that really hits the spot. You should try this.
Oh yeah. Oh, it's incredible.